we're back with this thing, and I was gonna clean the car, you know, wash it up or whatever, and the hose here at my dad's house doesn't go far enough to reach the car. So, well, basically, in short, I'm gonna show you how to wash a car without using a hose. Well, kind of not using a hose. But the only portion of this car wash, if you care about your vehicle, I highly recommend you don't do this, because I have to do a bunch of body work to this car, so I'm basically just trying to get all of the crap off, so that way when I'm sanding it, I'm not sanding a bunch of junk into the paint. So I just need the dirt off the car. It doesn't really actually matter if it looks good. That's gonna be super annoying. Anyway, the hose doesn't reach. So, you know, first step, like normally when you're washing a car, you rinse the car, get the loose stuff off, and then you wash it with soap, and then you rinse the soap off, and then you dry it. You're fine. Everything's good. Everything's peachy. Unfortunately, the hose doesn't reach that far, so I'm just gonna spray it into the air, and hopefully most of the car gets covered with some sort of lubrication. It's so loud here. And then I'm just going to be washing it with a mop bucket and a rag that I found, because I don't have anything here. I forgot that there's nothing here now that I brought it to my house. That's basically it. We're gonna spray the car, and then I'm gonna wash it with a mop bucket with dish soap. I'm using dish soap, not car wash soap, because I am trying to take everything off of the paint. Now, normally you would use like a car safe soap, so that way you're not taking wax off the car. But that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to take as much off of the car as possible, so that way we can get down to the paint, and then I can actually start trying to fix this. So, good luck. Let's start. Hey, we got it all. That's a start. Now we're just wash the car. Nothing fancy. Rag, dish soap. That's it. Spray it. Clean rag and a bucket of water so we can actually just like get the back. I don't think the hose is going to reach it very well. Yeah. Now we can dry the car. how to not wash a car. I still have like a bunch of parts for this thing, but I don't know where they are. I don't know where the vacuum is here, so I might have to go home and bring one. It's just an inconvenience of this car being here rather than my house, because everything is on the complete other side of the city. So I kind of have to like plan a trip here to actually get everything that I need to work on this, which sucks, but that's what I have to work with. But I mean, I don't know. It's clean enough. At least I can see what I'm working with, and the entire car is gonna have to get repainted, just judging by the paint that I'm looking at here. This is really annoying. There we go. Anyway, that's it for this. I'll use my phone so you guys can get a closer look of the actual damaged areas, and then we can see what still needs to be fixed. Pretty much gonna have to do everything.
Just like that, just like that. Just like that, just like that. Forever's never gone so fast. Forever's never gone so fast. Just like that. Forever's never gone. Just like that. Just like that.
Well, that's it. I mean, there wasn't really much, but I don't know. I just got off work. I'm tired. I don't really want to do much more to this today. But if you found it interesting or whatever, then hit the like button, or feel free to subscribe, or don't. I'm not telling you what to do.